This report is the work permit status, which gives us a general overview of all the work permits that have been registered in the system. In this grid work permit, we have the list of the work permits, number, description, unit, discipline, area, owner. And here we have the count of work permits. For example, for the first one, we have 16 work permits. And in the last one, we have 6 work permits. And you can also drill down on the information. In general, we have civil, underground, instrumentation, and mechanical equipment. And as you can see, in each discipline, we can see the number of work permits. In civil, we have this unit. And in the upper grid, we have the ability to filter the date. For example, I can filter the data based on the date, and I can see that during this period how many work permits have been registered on the system. So basically I can filter the data and based on the time. The next report is work permit equipment. It gives me a report of each equipment. Here I have the list of work permits. Then I have the material group and their description. And some general information. Here I have the work permit priority, and I can filter data too. For example, for urgent, I have the list of the work permits, the normals, and the immediate. And here I have the work permit based on closure status. For example, the ones that are urgent, I can see that 63% of them are completed. And here I can see the general overview of the closure status. I can filter them to the ones that are stopped. I have the list of the work permits. And here I have the priority. For example, the ones that are stopped and the priority is urgent. There are 2 work permits with these numbers. Stopped. The next report is work time status. As you can see here, I have defined some filters. Work is completed with delay, without delay, and so on. Now let's see what each means. The first one is work is completed with delay. It means the flow of the work permit has been completed, but there has been a delay. And by delay I mean the validity date of the work permit. The second one means the work is completed without delay, which means the flow has been finished and there was no delay. The next one is work is not completed, time is about to finish, which means the flow is not finished, it is in progress, and the time, the valid date is near to be finished. So we have to finish the flow as soon as possible. Next one is work is not completed, time is over. This one is used for the work permits that the work permits are still in progress and their time is finished, which means we are in the middle of the progress. And the last one, work is not completed, time is remained. This one is used for the ones that are in the flow and we still have time. The best thing about this report is that I can filter the data based on the status, and the status are not fixed in the system. I can define new filters, new status, and for new meanings. But these are the ones that we have for this project. For example, I want to see work is completed without delay. There is only one work permit with this number, which is completed. Now I want to see the ones that are not complete and their time is about to finish. I have 5 work permits with this information. And the deadline is near. And you can see the rest of the information too. And here we have a pie chart based on the information. This one, work is not completed, time is over, about 43%. And the other one, as you can see, 6%, work is not completed and time is still remained. So we could use this dashboard to follow the last status of the work permits based on their time, which ones are completed, which ones have delays. So we have reviewed 4 dashboards and reports for work permit and the risk matrix, and as I mentioned before, all of them are customizable. We could have different information, different settings and designs, and also you can access them on your mobile phone, on your web application, and on the computer software.